So hello everyone, and welcome to our weekly overview for this week. Guys, the last week weekly overview was hugely amazing. We made around, we were very close to make 2000 pips. It was a huge week. It was one of the best start of the months of January and of the year. هاي جميعا نرحب فيكم بويكلي اوفرفيو لهذا الاسبوع الماضي الويكلي اوفرفيو كان سوبر رائع بحق شي 1000. قربنا على 2000 نقطة تقريبا، اكيد اقل، بس انه عم بقول قد ايه كان قوي هذا الويكلي اوفرفيو الاسبوع الماضي. and this week is also very promising. هذا الأسبوع واعد بشكل كتير كبير, especially with the big decline of the US dollars and where gold, we'll see everything, gold, euro, GBP, all these, they went against it up. So we will have to check first what we have as news. رح نشوف الأول شو عنا نيوز, يعني خصوصي بعد ما العملات كلها طلعت بوجه الدولار اللي كان عم يضعف. So this week Monday, Bank of England governor speak at 7 p.m. Dubai time. All these are Dubai time GMT plus 4. كل هول Dubai time GMT زائد 4. 6 a.m. we have this China. Okay, never mind. GBP also 11 a.m. climate count. That's okay. 5:30 Canadian. We have the CPI Canadian. If you are in a Canadian trade, you must be careful. US dollar, Canada, Wednesday, monetary policy for Bank of Japan. It will affect big time the GBP JPY that we trade on. هيأثر على استرليني yen. Even we have 11 GBP CPI. Okay, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, nothing important. Core PPI 530. Okay, so we might have a volatility next week. It should be more technical next week. حيكون technical بالأحرى. And let's start. As you can see, this amazing US 30. See, from this down till this up, it made exactly 38.2. You remember? Elliott waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and now moving 5 up. This is the Elliott wave count. هيدي على Elliott wave count. We have the first one, the second wave, the third big wave, the fourth wave, and now it's moving for the, as you can see also the fourth wave A, B, C, 38.2 exactly, 38.2% exactly, and started to push up again. And if you didn't buy at 38.2, your buy for the swing US 30, الشروة تبع السوينج US 30 إذا ما اشتريته على 32.2 لما كسر, it is around 33,452 and should resume up and still till now 34,000. So what do we expect from US 30? If we check the Elliott wave count that's moving in, it should resume its way up, but let's see the target of it. خلينا نشوف لوين رح بيضل مكمل. We go to trend Fibonacci extension. We take the 2 against the 3 against the 4. And here we are. The 61.8 target should be around 36,100 or 60, let's say 36,000. Okay. لازم التارجت تبعنا للويف 5 يكون 61.8 من الويف 3, 61.8 from all the wave 3 up. So it should be around 36,000. So we expect like 80 to 85% that the Dow should resume till 36,000. But this is a swing trade, beside a swing trade, which means that now moving up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, it can open, makes a wick down, and keep pushing up now to reach first the high, the previous high, which is around, and our first target for the swing should be around 34,680, TP2 35,300, and TP3 36,000. Okay, we will go deeper. Let's go inside this legs. So for a trade to be done now, this is the close of this candle. It was here. So we expect we have a sequence of low, higher low. This is a uptrend. هذا trend up مثل ما شايفين. So we have a sequence of عندنا sequence من low, higher low, higher low, higher lows, and then if it opens, makes a wick down without breaking, يعني it should respect the previous low, بدها تحافظ على previous low, and then it start to push up again, breaking the previous high as we have a high, higher high, higher high, higher high. So I should expect to go up for a new high. توقع تطلع up لنيو high to reach 34,700. So let's go for the first buy here. Okay, which should be almost around 34,400. هلا the stop loss, and I can usually I put a stop loss, but you have not to be machines or robots, okay? You have to study the market. So you must check the daily wick, where the daily wick went down, and it should not be below this daily wick. So when it opens, makes a wick down, while pushing up again, it should be the low of the same candle wick. بده يكون اللو تبع الويك اللي بيفتحها بنهارتها، بيفتح بيعمل ويك داون بيطلع. So I will put like, don't know, the entry will be 34,390, stop loss 34,000, let's say 200 or 300. 34,400, which is the TP1 if you are scalping only. But let's go for what's better. 34,540, the TP1. 34,468, the TP2. The TP3, 35,000. And the TP4, 35,354. This is for the trade that you can take, and you can keep the big one if you are going into a swing, which is the TP1 will be the 38.2, TP2 the 35,401, and the TP3 36,000. Keep runners. Let's go step by step. Let's go with the first TPs, and then you can have the other one till the full wave 5 up. So we expect that the Dow Jones should resume up, but we never know. Nothing is confirmed. ما في شيء مؤكد, because it might reach here this level, the 38.2, 34,700, and then start to push down again to make a double top, and then start to push down. You never know. You need confirmations, and always you need to secure profit. دايما بدكم confirmations, دايما بدكم تأكيد, لأنه ما حدا بيعرف 100%. بس فينا 80% 85% نتوقع. بدكم دايما تأمنوا على تريد تبعكم, تأمنوا الربح يلي عندكم لحتى ترجعوا تكملوا فيها طلوع. If we go to the lower time frame to see a potential reversal down, we have this support. Look, this support. This is a support area. So most probably, if it turns down and move down toward the support, the sell will be at this level. On the 1 hour time frame, so we should see the candle where it will go. Okay. وبعدين okay, if it breaks 34,090, stop loss 34,150, 34,080 TP1. Be careful, this is a trend line here. 34,030 TP2, 33,960 TP4, TP3, and 33,900 it is TP4. This is the full clean traffic on the left, but preserving the previous wick. We go for gold. Guys, as you can see, gold, as we expected, since it was 1680 مثل ما كنا متوقعينه, some people were afraid, telling me, Abdullah, the gold is going down. We bought 1700. I was telling them this is a position investment for the long term. That's why I always say you have to invest in gold, physical gold, for the long term. So here it was the support, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. As you can see, divergence, CCI percentage R breaking this support here, 1680. It was the entry. Till now, imagine the investment in gold from last October or 1st November till now. We are talking about 2 months and a half only, moving from 1680 to 1920. Look, CCI broke, percentage R, divergence, and start to push up. Now it's overbought. Of course, we will have a retracement soon, but the gold is still pushing up also in daily. And you can check our interview on Sky News. فيكم تشوفوا سكاي كنا عم نقول من قبل انه بيتاخد كافريجينج. لو واحد اخذ 1700، لو نزل 1600، كنت عم بقول ان شاء الله ينزل ل 1005 لحتى نعبي من تحت اكثر ونرجع نكمل طلعه. وبرضه كان عم بيكمل طلع الماركت. Very nice, very nice guys. Now it broke this. Look how it broke and kept moving up since 1880. This is was our last week study, guys. Last week study. Let's see now. We have this resistance up. If at any point gold open, makes a wick down and start to push up again, then we will have this buy. We'll see the wick where it will be, but the entry will be at 1923, 1923. Stop loss around 19, I don't know, 18. 1920, we'll see the stop loss for the swing after the wick being formed. So we have 1924, the scalp, first TP1, 1928, TP2, 1940, TP3, and 1960, it will be our TP4, where the market should have pure jump. We might reach even 1985, 1985. So the TP, let's change something. The TP3 will be 1953 and the TP4 1980. exactly 78. 1978. Wow. Here we are in the middle of the crisis, guys. Huge move up for the gold. While for the sell, we go for the 1 hour chart. As you can see here, the last move. We should have a fast entry and exit. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. So here for the sell. Okay. If it turns and went down again, you open, makes a wick up, and then start to push down. Here, the sell can start. Sell في بلش هون على 1 hour من 1918 19 let's say 80 stop loss 1922 1918 the sell 1917 TP1 1911 no 1911 TP2 1902 TP3 and 1893 will be the TP4 the full wick here for the oil. Also oil pushing up again. As you saw, it took the buy Here it was on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it took it and then went down. Always you go for the second buy, and the first time it took the TP1. The second time you go for we did this on Monday. The second time, look, low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. The third time, you take it back again for a wick fill, always in the weekly overview, one time and second chance. 76, it went all the way up till 80, guys. Now we have a new option for the buy. This resistance remains for me the main resistance that I'm looking into. We have two resistance, but I will check. I will get the biggest one. 84 the entry, stop loss around 83.40, 84.10 TP1 scalp, 85.40 TP2, 87 TP3, and the full target to reach 91.75 91.75. As for the sell, we have this support, which is very interesting. As you can see here, low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then it turns. First candle 1 hour or daily close like this. The second candle, when we broke this, look, support, 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 support area. So the sell 76.70, stop loss 77.50, 76.50 TP1, 60 and 10 pips, 76.06 TP2, 75.11 TP3, and 73.31 the TP4. Bitcoin, our star, as you saw here, the weekly CCI percentage R was breaking here with the potential divergence. That's when you start taking the small portion of the DCA, dollar cost averaging system that we have. So here you start 16,600. Personally, I started to buy Bitcoin. I bought again from the last week 1857, and here we are now. We are moving up 21,000, and hopefully it should resume more up as we put in the weekly overview last week. What a lovely move up from the Bitcoin. This week was the week of the Bitcoin. This is daily. Wow, interesting. So this is how you make money. هيك تعمل money، هيك البورتفوليو تبعكم بتصير تكبر. مثل ما حكينا بالدولار كوست افريجينج، اول شيء كنا على الويكلي دائما انا باخذها للبيتكوين. مثل ما شفتوا هون عنا كسر السي سي اي برسنتج ار، كنا تقريبا 16600، وهيدا الاسبوع كان اسبوع الطلعه بعد اول السنه. So people لازم يكونوا عم بيعملوا مصاري فيها if عم يتبعوا شو نحن عم نحكي Bitcoin, silver, gold. This is the next investment, and I'm talking here not only trading, I'm talking holding positions for the long term. Okay, you know, there is a scalp system, you make money fast. There is a swing system, medium term. There is a position system, and here you use it with us in Hercules and also in our swing system, the indicator that we have. So it helps you a lot to identify when you have to start buying portion by portion. Okay. So now we have the next resistance here, which is at this level. It's already hitting. So we need for the daily today to close open, makes a wick down and start to push up, breaking 21,600. The TP1 will be 22,000, TP2 the clean traffic till 22,769, TP3 23,076, and TP4 25,192. As for the sell, now we have a new support, which is this high, and we can move this till this level. So 19,600, stop loss almost 2,000. Here the stop loss was almost 1,258. 19,464 the TP1, 18,965 TP2, have this support 18,000 TP3 and the full one 16,700 to get back to all this move that went up in the last 4 days. GBP, JPY still pushing down. Yen is getting stronger as gold is getting stronger. And as you saw in our study, when it broke 2 days ago after the CPI, when it broke 159.13, it went all the down to hit the TP4 in 2 days. ضربت ال TP4 بيومين after taking the buy for 3 days. يعني in our weekly overview, we took the buy, we got money in it, and then we took the sell after this and we moved down. This is how our weekly overview هيك الويكلي overview هيك السيستم تبعنا عم بيكون قوي وعم بيفرجي. اخذنا الباي بالاول، رجعنا اخذنا السيل بعدين ضلوا نازل هون الماركت. So now what do we expect? Simply the new support formed. Now we have the new support formed at this level. We have the new sell 155.23 أو 155 let's say 155.20 the sell 155.70 stop loss 55.10 TP1 54.70 TP2 53.80 TP3 and 52.53 the TP4 to make more profits. Otherwise, we have this support level. If it starts to turn back up, this low, high, lower, high, lower, high. So we have the entry around 158.10, stop loss 157.70, 58.20 TP1, 58.70 TP2, 59.43 TP3, and 60 TP4. We go for the Euro USD. Euro USD, guys, still pushing up with the Elliott wave study. Oh, it hit 108.40, even more 60th. So the Fibonacci extension hit first time, and then we still have until 109.22. Look, this wave, big wave 5 inside the wave here. Okay, so it's still moving up. So now what do we expect? We expect to resume the move up here. If it goes like this new support, you have this new support at this level, resistance, sorry. This new resistance, عندنا resistance. So we are still in the 5th wave, but at the end of it, so here it become a little bit scary to take it, but you never know. And you have to be careful when taking the buy with the price action. I'm more getting ready for the sell, to be honest. So here it's 108.75, the entry. We'll see the wick, how it will be, because look, we have low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So far, we don't have lower low. Okay, لهلا ما عندنا lower low, كله higher low. So بعد sequence bullish. So, and then 108.75, stop loss 108.60, let's say. We'll see the wick. 0.885, the TP1. Now the TP2 will be 0.920, which is the full target. I don't know if we will have an extension. So to have the TP3 0.965 and 110 to be the TP4. Personally, I don't know. I feel like I'm more, I will take the buy, but I will be skeptic, like closing the trade, but I will look for a reversal. So far, the trend is bullish, so we have to go with the trend until it start turning down. لحديت ما يبلش يبرم, and we can see this on the 1-hour chart or the 4-hour chart. Let's see. Yes, turning down should start by this level at some point. Should start by breaking the support. Now we have this support. Let's delete this. Wait. Okay, just to be able to see. هنلغي هولت نشوف. Okay, have the wave 5 up. Okay. So now the support should be this level. Look. We have this resistance area here. We have this support. So below this one, تحت هيدا, on the 4-hour time frame, breaking this, it should be the start of the sell, like 1.0773, stop loss 10785, okay, or 90, let's say, but we'll see the wick, how it will be the 4-hour wick. Okay, let's say 1.0773, 63 TP1, 0733 TP2, the full day down, 3687 TP3, and the full target can reach, look, this clean traffic, 1.0520. But we go for the daily to have better confirmation, and we see when the CCI and the percentage R will start also to break down. بدنا نشوف وين رح يبلش CCI والpercentage R يكسروا على الديلي. لاحظوا؟ And if you go even weekly, I can see something weekly because, oh, wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here on the weekly chart, guys, let's do the study. After all this move down, it's retracing, pure retracement from the top 123 الواحد 23 123 till here. Already hit almost 50%. It's hitting, and the wave 5 will hit 80%, 50%, 0983. But here we have a pure CCI and percentage R divergence, and we can add to it to be more accurate the one-time RSI. It's also getting here. Okay, we are getting closer for a reversal for the euro dollar. We are getting closer. I'm not saying it will happen now, but we are getting very close to this reversal. Okay, let's remove here again, CCI. So once we break the CCI and percentage R weekly start to break down with this price action, the sell that I showed you, this with this price action, or if we reach around here the wave 5 10927, we have a very high probability that the market start to retrace down to make the ABC لحتى يعمل ABC بالإليوت wave retracement, the big ABC. نفس الوقت CCI percentage R بيكون عم يكسر, and we will have the big retracement for the euro. Watch it, it's very interesting. Okay. Oh, exciting market. GBP USD also on the daily, as you saw before. It's making the flag. Someone asked me about it last time. Told them to buy here. Okay, the main buy was here. Made some profit, then hit stop loss or stop loss entry. Then it, what was that, man? The next time it went down and then pushed up. Very messy. Very messy. So it made all the target, by the way. And the second time it opened, made a wick down, and then start to push up again. So the buy again should be 121.80 and hitting the full target of the flag. But now we have this resistance, which is the important one for okay. See the daily. Now this is the important one. Look. This resistance area. Now we have a retracement after the move up. I think it's like 38.2 بعتقد 38.2%. The last retracement, yes, almost like 38.2 here تقريبا, and then it start to reverse, wick down, up. Now if it opens, makes a wick down, respecting the previous wick, and then start to push up. The buy for the, we have a clean traffic, guys. عندنا clean traffic for 185 pips ل 185 نقطة. So the buy should be 122.55, stop loss 122, I don't know, 15. But we will check. It should open, makes a wick down. We see the wick, and then it pushes up. We have, no matter how much pip you go to for the percentage, so you decrease the lot size. But what the lot size again? pip شي 60 70 نقطة stop. stop loss, and you move for the buy 1.2255, 65 TP1, 1.2310 the TP2, which is the main swing first TP, 123.54 TP3, and 124.30 the TP4. Mainly, this is my full target, 185 pips. So the stop loss, I will put it tentative like 1.2220, and we will see how it will be, or where it will be Monday on our update. As for the sell, for me, the sell, it's at this support area. This is a huge support and resistance area, huge. Look here before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So, and then we have a clean traffic down. بيجي عنا clean traffic down. So بعتقد السell أضبط شيء السell يكون بهيدي المنطقة هون. Sell the best, it should be here. Like the sell will be around 1.2075, stop loss 1.2110, 65 TP1, 2030 TP2, 1962 TP3, and 1870 TP4. AUD USD. Also still pushing up on the daily. Now we have this resistance. We reach this resistance area. A very interesting area. It will be the sell. Okay. If it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up, we should have 0.7015 entry, 0.6985 stop loss, 25, 0.70, 25 TP1, 70, 75 TP2, 71, 20 TP3, and 71.90 the TP4. And then this support line is very interesting. The support area, look till before. Wow. This is a very nice support area. The entry will be 68.55, 68.85 stop loss, 65, 68.45 TP1, 68.22 TP2, 67.88 TP3, and 67.15 the TP4, the clean traffic down. For the NZD USD, still also for the daily, you have this big resistance here, but before reaching this big resistance, we have a better resistance at this level, عنا resistance أحسن هون, and we have this support here at this level. Okay. This is the target, and here smaller support at this level. So the buy will be 0.6427, 37 TP1, 61 TP2, 95 TP3, and around, I don't know, if you want to push more for the up, like 65.70 the TP4, which is this resistance after leaving the other resistance. So we can reach TP4 at this level around 132 pips, while now support, and if it start to push down, إذا بلش يكسر نزول, the short selling, the sell, البيعة should be around this level. So 0.6295, stop loss 63.20, 82.85 TP1, 62.45 TP2, 62.05 TP3, and 61.10 the TP4, the big one. USD CHF also getting ready more for the move down. Now, USD CHF, we're still holding the same buy. If it breaks 0.9415, like, it should go up for the next TP1, TP2, TP3 as we put last week. And if it breaks down the 0.9160, stop loss 91.94 almost, 91.50 TP1, 90.90 TP2, 90.21 TP3, and 89.45 the TP4. USD CAD. Okay, as you can see guys, this mainly يعني AUD, NZD, dollar Canadian and dollar Swiss CHF. I don't always trade. my focus الفوكس تبعي ما بعمل كتير تريد عليهم. الفوكس تبعي والتركيز تبعي on the euro dollar, GBP USD, GBP JPY, gold, Dow. So these main pairs, and Bitcoin of course for investment, and gold for investment as Bitcoin, and gold even for some trades, but mainly for pairs. Let's put aside the precious metal and in this نحط على جنب الذهب والسيلفر وغيره والهيك. تركيزي الأساسي كعملات, my main focus on the currencies, it's on the euro dollar, GBP USD, GBP JPY. Okay, and of course if there is any other opportunity in these trades, so I take them, but mainly my focus is there. So the buy for the US dollar Canadian still the same, 137 like 13, the same stop loss TP1 TP2, and now I think I will get this support as a better entry if it starts to push down. Always the US dollar CAD has a good success rate with us, but I don't focus on, to be honest, because it's a mutual pair, and like US dollar and Canadian are very close in North US. Like I don't really trade Euro, GBP, AUD, NZD. You know, AUD and NZD move the same. Most of the time, USD and CAD move the same. Euro and GBP, same continent, move the same. That's why I don't really trade these pairs where almost they have the same movement. يعني ما كتير بتداول على البارات مثل اليورو استرليني، أسترالي، نيوزيلندي ودولار كندي يلي كتير قراب من بعضهم بالتحرك. This is the sell 131.95, stop loss 132.50, 31.85 the TP1, 31.10 TP2, 29.68 TP3, and 28.11 TP4. So hopefully this weekly overview was beneficial, guys, for you. I will meet you tomorrow on Monday to have the update to see how many trades are moving, how they moved, and to have an update about the weekly overview for the main pairs I trade in, like the Euro, like the EU, GU, GJ, gold, oil, and US 30. رح يكون بكره عنا الابديت. حطوا studies, put these studies on your investing.com for free, or your TradingView setups if you have paid one. Put your alerts, put all the studies, and you have to replicate what I did as study to start experiencing this and start seeing this in front of your eyes. Practice, guys. Always I focus on practice. Without practice, your skills will never improve when it comes to trading. دايما بركز على التطبيق. خدوا هول الستاديز اعملوهم على الانفستنج.com فور فري ببلاش او على التريدينج فيو، لانه دايما السر وقت بقول بدكم شهر شهرين تطلقطوا السيستم تتعودوا عليه، لانه السر دايما انكم تطبقوا، مش بس تتعلموا وتشوفوا وتحضروا وتحطوا بوب كورن. لا، السر انكم تطبقوا. The secret comes when you apply and you start doing this يعني in your hands, okay, by yourself. تبلشوا تطبقوا هذا الشيء بايديكم وتبلشوا تطوروه لقدام. ساعتها نتفة بتلقطوها and you will become much better. This weekly overview was brought to you by EA Economy, parts of Aminous Trades. So best of luck, guys, for this week. We will keep doing the updates together and see you.